Hey guys, it's Ashley Marie here. Today I'm going to be doing my everyday foundation routine for the summer. So first, the most important thing is that you're wearing sunscreen, that you're moisturized. I have oily skin, but it's always crucial that you wear moisturizer because the reason why your skin is so oily is because it's dehydrated. It's overcompensating for the lack of moisture that is in your skin. So make sure you're moisturized. I'm going to start off with my Pixie Rose Flash Balm. Love this primer. I'm not going to be using too much because I am already moisturized, but it just gives me another step of hydration, which I love. Focus on my forehead and on my cheeks, and just put the rest of my nose and chin. That's where I tend to get a little bit more dehydrated, is in those areas. For foundation, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Fresh Wear Foundation in color 505. The way I like to pick my foundation for summertime is something that's lightweight, still full coverage because I love a full coverage foundation, but something that you can't feel all day. I know a lot of people like to go for dewier foundations where I'll give them a little bit more shine, but since I am oily, sometimes it's too much. I already have enough natural glow for my oils, and some people like to go for very matte foundations, but I don't like when I can feel it on my face as much. So this foundation gives me a fresh wear finish like it says. It feels lightweight, but it also gives me the coverage that I need. So I like to use about a pump and a half of this. And I like to go in with my Morphe Beauty Sponge. I have my mirror here. I'm just gonna dab it on the face, again focusing on my cheeks because that is where I get some acne sometimes, some redness during the summer. I will not fill this foundation throughout the day. It really sinks in the skin amazingly, and that's why I love it so much. But as you can see, I still have a full coverage look with it still being light and fresh, and I don't feel like I'm gonna be sweating it off all day. So that's what I look for. For concealer, always Tarte Shape Tape in color medium tan sand. I use this year round. I think that it gives a great satin matte finish without being too heavy underneath the eyes. For an everyday, I don't go in with too much concealer because you don't want it to be too heavy. We already have that lightweight foundation, so we don't want to counteract that by putting on too heavy of concealer or too much concealer. I just go in the spots that I want to highlight, the bridge of my nose, my chin, on the sides of my mouth I get a little bit more dark, so I like to cover that up. And then I just go in the pointier side of the sponge and really blend that out. Okay, now that we have our foundation and concealer done, I like to go in and make sure I set my makeup. I've been using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter setting powder in the color Cashew. And I know some people don't like to set their makeup during the summer. If you have drier skin and you think that the powder makes you look more dry, maybe don't set it. I have to set my under eyes though. It's imperative. I have little creases, so it'll go into there. And also, like I said, I have oily skin, so as much as I want to wear lightweight, fresh makeup, I have to set my makeup or it will smudge, it will move around. And when I put on makeup, I want it to stay all day. I'm not the type of person that wants my makeup to just stay on and be a little dewy and lightweight. I want my makeup to stay on all day. I want it to be full coverage all day. And I don't want to have to reset it, repowder it. I don't do that. I set at the beginning of the day and set it and forget it. I don't come back and touch up all day. That's not what I like to do. I like to make sure I'm pressing it into my pores because I get very oily around those areas. Making sure I'm doing it over my contour lines because I am going to put on bronzer and you don't want your bronzer to be muddy. Next, I'm going to go in with some bronzer. This is the Morphe Highlighting Contour Palette in Hi-Fi 8H. I'm going to dab into the color Blogger, and a hit of Fabulous. And I'm just going to bronze up the perimeters of my face during summertime. If it's more of a daytime look, I'm not looking to be more chiseled. I'm simply looking to give my skin some more color that I took away from adding the foundation, concealer, and the powder. Next, I'm going to go in with some blush. In my recent BoxyCharm for May, I got the Alamar Cosmetics Colorete Blush Trio, and I'm going to dab into the color Deserted and Oasis. And dabbing those are very pigmented, so being gentle with it. But I like to focus my blush on the apple of my cheeks because I love the effect that blush gives. I think it just brings some color back into your face, makes you look rosy and sun-kissed, and it's just my favorite. I like to dab a little bit on the nose, a little bit on the chin, because that's where I will get sunburned. And like I said, they're a little bit more pigmented, so I'm gonna blend those out. This is just a Wet n Wild stippling brush. I'm really gonna blend it out on the apples of my cheeks to make sure that everything's blended. For highlight, I'm going to be going with the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati. And I've been loving these for summer. The reason why I love them so much is because you need the littlest amount. I dab it into the product, tap off into the lid, whatever's left, blend it on top of the cheeks. It's such a finely milled powder that it doesn't make your texture stand out. It's not too chunky. It just blends right into the skin, and I absolutely love it. Just highlighting the tops of my face where I want it to be more highlighted. Lastly, for my foundation routine, I like to go in with the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I'm gonna mist on my face. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, like it, share it, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at itsofficial_Ashley Marie. And I hope to see you here guys next time. I post on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and the occasional Sundays. Bye.